How to fix page isn't available right now on Instagram. If you are facing this kind of problem on your Instagram where the page isn't showing, then here's how to fix it. So firstly, on your device, open the Instagram app. After that, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. In your settings and activity, go to the search bar on the top. Now search for account status. After that, tap on account status. In your account status, make sure that all of these options are checked. Sometimes pages may not be showing due to this problem. Now open settings on your device. In settings, scroll down. Go to the option general and again scroll down and tap on iPhone storage. Here you will need to look for the Instagram app. If you cannot find it, then go to the search bar on the top and search for Instagram. After that, click on it and select the option Offload app. Now again tap on Offload app at the bottom. Now go back to your home page. Again open the Instagram app on your device. Go to settings and activity and scroll down to the bottom. Now select the option Log out. Log out from your account and again log in to see if that helps. You can also try to reinstall the app or use a browser. Also, make sure to check for updates that may be available for the Instagram app. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.